It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too, the way that you do what you do.
Y'all heard what I called it, right? My favorite clothing brand. Yes, Bombshell and I have been having a love-hate relationship over the past few months. However, I am still fighting to save it. That said, I ordered one of each item from their newest collection, the Marble Collection. So I'll start with the sports bra. Oops, it's inside out. So this is a multi-way sports bra. And let me tell you a secret. If the straps are stretchy enough, any sports bra can be a multi-way. That said, this is to be worn 3 different ways depending on your preference, and I really like how they have this toggle here to adjust it. The fabric is so buttery soft and I love it. Now this is in the marble blue, and I got the sports top in marble blue as well as the contour toggle shorts. Now I have not worn these yet. I tried them on and I like them. I do have a lot of their other toggle shorts. I like the color and the fabric feel. The fabric feels a little different from the normal toggle short. Let me see. Do I have one here? I should. It's over there somewhere. Anywho, this has a really good hand to it. It's more matte, but it's got a nice sheen. And I really like it. The only thing I don't like, as with most Bombshell items, is the height of the waist. But it is what it is. I have learned that ship has just sailed. High waist is here to stay, I guess. But otherwise, it's okay. It also has an inseam, the length of the leg, that seems to be a bit long for a small short, but I guess that's where the toggle comes in to adjust. So, I also bought the pants. And I got these in, what color is this? The adjustable legging in marble charcoal. Now for sizing, I got the leggings in medium because I have a bigger leg in relationship to how Bombshell sizing is. So the waist though, I am very happy that the waist is not extremely wide on the medium because that was an issue that I had. So if you can see this waist doesn't appear to be any more than maybe 10 to 11 inches in diameter, which is great. That means that it'll actually still hug even though I size up to accommodate the leg. The toggle here, the adjustment, I don't know if it's really necessary. I think it's just a nice design feature. I don't know. You tell me if you tried it. It's cool. It's nice to have, but I love the marble print and I really like the fabric. Now, I did something different this time. I decided to, instead of just put up pictures of me wearing the item, I did a little video. And you can let me know if you prefer to see pictures or if you prefer like a video model session. I thought I'd try something new. I actually wore this earlier today and it was leg day, so I tested out the items and they were very comfortable to work out. And I wore the top, the sports bra, and the pants. And you will see in the video how tall these waistbands are and how long. This reminds me, if you know the edgy long line bra, this seems to be along the same template as that. So if you have and like the edgy long line bra, you will like this because this is a long line bra. And basically there was no separation between the bottom of the bra and the top of the pant when I put it on. I had to make it separate by, flipping and adjusting. So that's it. If you are a shorter person or if you are a person who has a shorter torso, I'm both. I'm 5 feet 3 inches tall. I have long legs and a short torso. I tend to photograph tall because I have long legs, but I'm just 5'3". I'm little. And what size did I get? I got the sports bra in a small. I am a size 32D. I have a wider upper body, very, very developed. And so I'm very T-shaped. So the small fits me okay. Extra small would be ideal for the bust, but I would be looking like a popped can of biscuits if I squeeze into an extra small because of my lats and my upper body development. For the shorts, I got the shorts in a small. Why? Because they don't have to accommodate the thigh. So I typically would get a small, and so I got the small in the shorts. So don't hesitate to do that if you have a smaller waist and bigger legs. Because the shorts are short, a small should work for you. Now, without further ado, here's my video. So needless to say, I am keeping these items. Ironically, I was on the fence about the shorts, but the little tag that comes with it, that basically if it's detached, you can't return it, it came off while I was trying them on. So it was like, I guess just the universe told me, nope, keep these shorts. So that's what I'm doing. I'm keeping them. But I'm happy to report that I'm actually keeping something from Bombshell, because y'all know it has been a while. And let me know what you think. If you like the marble collection, what colors you're interested in getting. I got these two because I thought they were cool. And, you know, people talk about gray sweatpants season, right? It's not just for guys. Until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.